Well, guys, I'm going to hope by now that this video has gotten a billion comments, both positive and negative and inquisitive, and I figured I would let some of you guys off the hook and show you how this was accomplished, because this is basically impossible. Looks impossible and is impossible. The feed line over here is dead. It's not even connected. So when I triggered the feed line to make it look like the check valves, the air circuit running through this, starting this steam engine, when I triggered the air pressure going in, there's nothing going on here. It's all controlled under here. Yep, I lied. There is a foot-operated air pressure switch under the table, and this particular check valve that I showed you prior to running the last video is not actually a check valve at all. These are just strictly 2-inch long brass nipples. And this one is divided in the center. There's a plug in the center, and it's got a manifold on both sides. You can see it under there, which is why it's up on the 2x4s. This line here is... Some cars sound good, some don't. That's one that don't. Anyway, this is the feed line, and this is the exhaust line so that it runs silent. The exhaust runs, and it's all the way down, hanging down here, so it's out of the way and you couldn't hear it on film. So realistically, the air is coming in on the downside of the arrow through the valve up into the steam engine. This port right here has a plug in it, so even if there was air pressure going in, it would be blocked off, and any air pressure going this way will not come out of here. So in the video, when I cut that line, there's no air pressure coming out of it. That's why. It's plugged here. It's baffled it here. There's an exhaust port on this side and a feed line on that side. Look good though, didn't it? I had to do it. April Fool's comes around once a year, and this year I was in the mood. Hope you enjoyed that. I sure did. Thanks for watching.